it? Welcome to Diary of Coco with me, Mamnganu Naomi. Rich auntie vibes. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my easy go-to installation for a wig unit. I really thought, let me come in and finally drop a tutorial, especially one with a wig that has already been installed. Right just before we get into the video, I'm gonna need you guys to do me a very big favor. Please, can you please like, comment and subscribe? Share this with your friends, ligochomi, nochoza, omtase, bomata, everyone, like even your grand. Literally everyone is invited to the party. Yeah, let's grow the family. Before I start talking too much, let's get into the video. Right, let us get started. So I've braided my hair into cornrows, straight back, nothing professional. Half of the time I look like that guy from Diary of a Mad Black Woman, and it's okay. It's fine. The important part is what's on top. So you just make it something that's like straight, flat, so that your wig can lay flat. And then you're gonna take a legouche, one that's like your hair color, a stocking cap, and that's your step one so far. And I just want to quickly show you the wig that I'm going to be using. So I've put flexi rods in it just so that it has a body wave type of situation going on, a bit of volume and character, but it's naturally a straight wig. I got this wig from a hair expo in Midrand from a company like an Aliexpress situation. And I just want to put a quick disclaimer for all of you guys, and you'll be like, yeah, Aliexpress, it's fake hair, it's cheap, what that, it's from China. What the heck? AliExpress has some very good vendors. You just need to do your research, check all of the reviews. If the person says, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my hair is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you can like assess the situation. But just to flat out say AliExpress hair is bad, boom, period, I mean, you'd be doing yourself a disfavor, an unfavor, a disjustice, something. You would be just coveting yourself. Before I actually get into like the nitty-gritty steps, I'm going to take quite a bit of time like talking about customization. What is customization? What is the situation there? Customization is basically what transforms your wig from looking like a hat with a straight line to looking like a hairline, and people like start to wonder, what's righto? Now I've zoomed you guys in super close. Now you can see my face and my breakouts, but it's fine. We're all human. We all get pimples once in a while. It's not a big deal. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brown or some sort of a colored pencil. I've put the wig on and I've decided that, you know what, I like it over here. It looks a bit natural. So now I'm just going to trace around the hairline just so that I see where to apply the gel or the glue. You'll see it shows clearly once I take the wig off. For now, it looks like this child is drawing nothing on her forehead, but it shows. Then I take the wig off. Ooh, it's a tight fit. But you want it tight because, wow, it just goes to show the bigosity of this. You know, that's the advantage that us big forehead girls have. We have a lot more space to put our glue or our gel without it actually touching the hairline and ruining our hairline. We move, like, you know, we move. I'm going to take this got to be glued, but I'm just going to take some and literally put it on my finger. But you just put it here behind where you said you would, and you just put like an even layer all the way out. And you can get some onto your hair because this is a gel. It does wash out, it doesn't pull. While you're waiting for your first layer to dry, you can just take any like palette that's sort of your shade. I hope you can see. I'm just going to take this shade and I'm going to put it on the lace, especially the part that's going to be showing. So I put it like along here and along the part over here. I put some more, just all around, just putting it. It's now when you see that your hair, like your gel, is starting to go a bit clear, you just add your second layer of glue. Whoop, it exploded. Okay, so you just add your second layer, and yeah, this just gives you better hold. Really, you don't have to put the whole 2 layers. Some people put 3. I stick to 2. But yeah, it just gives it some. I'm just gonna take a earbud that has like water or micellar water or toner, just depending on how sensitive your skin is, and you're just gonna like sort of remove this line that you drew. Right, so you're gonna take your wig and you're gonna fold the frontal in a bit. Okay, you're gonna take your elastic band at the back of your neck like this, pull back, and then this like should still be showing, so you won't have looking like a hot mess, but yeah, it won't be touching yet. So then you slowly take the lace and you place it where the glue is. You just pull and you place, holding it there for a few seconds. Because your hand has like natural oils, you can hold it down with a comb. So I start with the middle and then I move on to the sides. Okay, then we're gonna take our free spray and we're gonna sort out what's happening on the hairline. I personally do not like baby hairs or very exuberant baby hairs, so I don't do them. What I normally do is I go to the ear tabs because they tend to stick out, and I just spray on there and really spray them down. And can I give you guys a quick disclaimer as well about the got to be glued? It's not real glue, okay? It's not. So the moment that you start sweating, honey, sis, the thing is gonna, guys, it was my matric dance, okay? Here I am, I'm sweating, I am the girl, I'm dancing, it's nice. My friend comes to me and she's like, Chomi. I'm like, okay, no, it's fine. Let's go for a quick bathroom break situation, you know. I haven't done that in a while. Go to the bathroom. Where is my wig? Is my wig not here? Is my wig not here? Guys, it was such an ugly situation. It was so ugly. Like, I had to put eyelash glue over here. Things were happening. So just a quick warning, this is not your glue. I'm going to the gym, I'm going to sweat, it's not coming off. This is like if you're putting it on for a cute photo shoot or you're going out for the day, something like that, because you will find yourself and your wig in 2 different places, honey, and we don't want that. No. Now I'm gonna take my, where's this thing? Where's my brush? Okay, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna try sort out what's happening here on the hairline by just taking these excess baby hairs and trying to just, like, you know, push them. April really killed this hairline. Like, this is some top tier things, guys. Top tier. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a bit of gel, just a bit, and I'm gonna go over the places where I see I have like little bubbles coming out. I'm just gonna put it on there just a bit. You don't want to like mess it up completely, make it messy now, you know what I mean. I usually go over the sides again. I just have little holes sticking out and I'll just sort them out by doing this. Nearly forgot. I'm gonna take some mousse and just shake it before you put it on. I'm gonna take some mousse and put it along the the middle part. Why not my middle part is skew? It's fine. I mean, really, it's okay. So I'm gonna take some of that and just put it against here because I really want this to lay flat. I want it to sleep, darling. Have a good night's rest. You know what I mean? I want this to say hi. And this is what's really gonna make it look a lot more natural, in my opinion. Because when your hair also like pagamas nyana, then it looks a bit shaky. Okay, then I'm gonna take a duke, a regular bandana, a regular whatever, and I'm gonna put it along the hairline and also like up here. You see where I am? And I'm just gonna tie it. I will leave it on for about 30 minutes because that's how long usually, like if I'm doing a simple look, that's how long it takes me to do my makeup. So I just put it on whilst I'm doing my makeup, and then yeah, you guys will see the end result soon. Yeah, guys, when I stepped in front of the camera and I like started taking selfies before I shot this, I was so scared. Guys, I am a con artist. Literally. So scary. But whomst are you? Whomst am I? I am the girl. Yonna. Yonna. Girl, you go there, yam, 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 yam. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So much for tuning in to the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell their chomis, tell their matas, libo mang, even rakadis. Like, everyone is invited to the party. From me to you. Bye bye.